Olivia and her natural steak, bag of chips and a Coke, a Pepsi, whatever.
Nie, pan to odchodzi. Pan tutaj dopiero mi live streamem.
Well, okay, we'll have some things today. We'll go to the mini bowl. Yes. And then barbecue. Have dinner together. And some things like that.
So it's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a fun day.
I can take your photo if you
Oh, really?
Yes, yes, of course.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The Ray-Bans?
Sacas para abajo.
Please don't jump on the glass, people. Please don't jump on the glass.
Hab schon so gemacht, dann.
Op den hibiscus nou. Voel die aan.
I was in line. No, come over here though. We're next in line.
Yeah, that's why we picked New York.
Yeah.
Oh, not just because of money.
Yes, yes, yes.
It's never going to be great. You just hope for it to be less bad. You know, I thought after 5 years, it would have been.